Hi, this is Buck WSR Weezer coming at you once again with another video. This is about replacing the shifter actuator on a Whirlpool Cabrio high efficiency washing machine. That is the actuator right there, that orange colored plastic with the motor here in the center. I was getting a fault code F7E1, which basket speed sensor fault. And based on what I've been reading online, this shifter actuator is a problematic little item. Hopefully, and I hope this is going to fix things for me. Let me show you how to do it. First, you got to take off this plastic guard that goes over the belt. It's using two 5/16 inch bolts. There's one. There's two. And now we have access to the actuator, or shifter, whatever you want to call it. That's the little gizmo that allows the washing machine to shift between spin and agitate. There's two Phillips head screws that we have to take out. So I got the drill here with a Phillips head bit on it. There's one. There's two. Let me see if I can get that other one. I think it's totally loose, so I can pull that off. Now this tab slides into this part of the mechanism. It has two positions, one for agitate and one for spin. I don't want to lose this little screw here. So there's one, two of them. Next, you just have to release this cable, and I don't know that I can do that with one hand, so I'm going to have to set you down for a minute. Okay, we're back. I set the camera down and I pushed a button accidentally and it turned off, so we're back. So here's the cable, and we're going to put it on here where it plugs in here. Once again, doing this with one hand is not easy, so I'll set you down real quick. Plug that guy in right there. It's plugged in. Now we move this back up into place, and we want to make sure this tab on the shifter joins up with that hook there, and then we put it in place. You look around for the screws that you previously had taken out. There's one. Here's the second. I'm going to use the drill because it's faster. But I will tighten it. Putting you down again. But I will tighten it with the hand screwdriver. That way I can feel how tight to put it. Alright, so that guy's back on. Next we put our plastic cover back up here. One bolt there. One there. Obviously, I didn't mention this, but got to make sure your tub's drained before you do this. Disconnected, unplugged from the wall. Hoses have to be unplugged. So there's a little bit of work getting to this point, but once you have the machine down on its side, it really took about, what, 5 minutes? About a 5-minute video we made here to replace that actuator shifter. Hopefully that's going to solve our problems. I feel pretty confident that it will. And we'll be back in business. So this is a typical setup for a lot of these washing machines made by Whirlpool, though they may have different brand names. Alright, my friends, thanks for watching. Feel free to leave a comment if you have one. Bye.